Today we're going to talk about this 2021 STI we have in here. About 2,500 miles on this almost brand new car. It's going to be getting a ton of upgrades. It's already sick of it, so why not dump some money in it? We've had it in the shop a little while. Jason already has the intake manifold off. Anyways, intake manifold's getting a color change while it's off because we're replacing all of these components that are in there, and that's a lot of overlapping labor. So we're gonna change out the header for this Killer Bee Holy header. This has the shortest possible equal length primaries you can on the market. That is going to feed directly into this Cobb 2-inch up pipe, directly into the stock location bolt-on new slab 54X turbocharger. This turbocharger is rated at 500 horsepower. I'm gonna control some heat in these components with these Torque Solutions thermal turbo blankets. Again, some more Torque Solutions parts we have are the fuel rails, CNC billet aluminum with O-ring boss fittings on both sides, so you can configure your fuel rails and lines how you want. Push some more fuel to the engine through these IDX 1050 injectors. This is a very common injector, so not any reason to spend a lot of time on those. AEM 340 fuel pump is going to replace the stock fuel pump in the car. Not too much fuel pump for the setup, but it's more than what it is able to from factory. We are going to feed the turbo air through the Cobb turbo inlet and then cool the air coming out of the turbo for the engine in a new ETS top mount intercooler.